I do foil for my client today, and she said to me, "Oh, I love how you do my hair." I say, "Why?" Because the way you do foil, it never turn brassy. I don't even use much purple shampoo or toner my hair much at all. Maybe once a month. And she say she used to go to another hairdresser, and she have to do tone highlight every week, otherwise it turn brassy. Hairstylist, here's what I share with you. When you actually do with a blonde, the important thing is not about toner, all right? It is about you bleach the hair light enough. Two things is so important. Number one, bleach hair light enough. Number two, that what is called placement. Placement is so important. Don't rely on the toner, because toner, if you do not right, is still brassy anyway.